Okay, hey everyone, it is your favorite person and I'm going to be showing you how to make these cookies, but these ones have nuts and the ones that I'm going to be making this time around do not have nuts. So what you're going to first start out by doing is melting your butter. You're going to melt it in 10 seconds and curd it in the microwave, but if you're like me and don't have a microwave or have them out of use, then just make it on the stove. Then you're going to dump your butter into, there we go, into a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. I will be leaving this recipe down in the description. And you're just gonna pour your butter into whatever you're mixing it in. And then, oh look, I can turn it around. And then you're gonna do this, mix it up. And then once it's all mixed up, turn that around. You're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This cookie dough is fantastic, and
yes, it is.
Go away, AJ. You're not really supposed to be in my YouTube videos. And the dough is the best part, but the cookies are my favorite part of it. So yeah. So let's see. We got that open. That took so long and it makes me sad. You're gonna pour vanilla and 1 large egg, but this needs to be an egg because we all know nobody really knows the difference. And it all works out the same. I was thinking when I was making this batch, let me get a better angle of that, about how we started making chocolate chip cookies, and also about this video I watched on how to be a more charismatic person. But if you don't know, when the person who's making chocolate chip cookies, you're going to mix this for 10 to 15 seconds, and you want it to be in that time increment so it doesn't overmix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it's okay if it isn't all the way mixed, because you're going to be adding in more ingredients, because even though this is delicious, you're not really supposed to eat cookie dough, but it never hurt anyone. I doubt anyone has died from eating cookie dough. And if they did, it's because they ate too much, and that's like probably the same for any food. So taking your flour, you're going to need 1.5 cups of it. We're going to be moving again. Yeah, here, so you can see my face. I should keep you here. Haha! We're going to turn you on your side. There we go, that works best. So you're going to need 1.5 cups of this. I like, when I'm making this, to use a 1/2 cup measuring cup and a 1/4 cup measuring cup, and then a teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon. Now normally what you do is you mix it in a separate bowl, but the recipe says to mix it straight in with the wet. So that's what we do, because guess what? I didn't make this up. Sadly no. Sorry, I'm moving the flour around. But anyways, back to the chocolate chip cookies and how they were made. And this lady, she was like, I want chocolate cookies, but I don't have the chocolate. And she's like, she doesn't have like the cocoa powder. I'm not gonna get cocoa powder out because I'm too lazy. But she's like, I want the cocoa powder stuff now. And she went, and then, well, she was like, I need this. So she went ahead and she cut up some actual chocolate, and it didn't melt. And now we have chocolate chip cookies. I wonder if you put like cocoa powder in this, like let's say like a half a cup of cocoa powder, and if this would make like a good chocolate cookie. Just wondering. I like to use a spoon when I am scooping up my flour like I am now. I don't know why I said that with that accent. Because it doesn't let the flour pack in. So keep that in mind when you make it. And then using your baking soda, you're going to need a half a teaspoon of that. I like to use a fourth of a teaspoon and a teaspoon. Oh, did I say that you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla? And then you're going to need a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. So the reason why I don't do like the measurements in like the measurements they say to do it in is because it turns out the same, and I don't that's a lot more, that cuts like the dishes down. So then you're gonna turn this on and you're gonna mix it. You wanna start off slow and going faster. And then once it's like, you can't really see white like that, you're gonna take some chocolate chips. You can use, those aren't the chocolate, those, I'm gonna use these chocolate chips. I'm using real semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate chips, white chocolate chips. I've used, that's a lot of chocolate chips in there. There's a lot more than I usually add, but I'm gonna mix it. And once it's thoroughly mixed, I don't really know what happens when you overmix it. I think it's like more goopy, but it doesn't really affect. Oh, I think it like doesn't rise as much. And then, yes, I'm using my finger for this because it gets the job done really well. And then I take off the blender thing. Doesn't that cookie dough look great? And then taking a small ice cream scooper, you're just gonna scoop it up, and then you're gonna scrape it off at the edge of the bowl. That didn't get good. Hold up, like that. And you didn't see that. I'll show you. And then you put it on your pan, and then you're gonna, so you scoop it up, and then you take it and see all that extra goopy stuff, and you're gonna do that until your pan is full. Don't you just love this video? I'm not gonna edit it. I'm lazy. And I'm doing this on the YouTube app so I can be sure this can upload onto YouTube. And when your oven is at 350, you take your cookie dough in your oven mitt. I actually think I made this in a weaving kit. And then they're gonna take your pan full of cookies and stick them in the oven and set a timer for 8 minutes. That's 9. You want it, this will make your edges golden brown. Timer. Oops, turned it off. I want the oven light. And as you can see, them not moving or doing anything for like 8 minutes. Anyways, that's how you make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. I post videos every Monday at about 2:30. And you can watch more random videos from your favorite person. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you didn't, why did you watch it? And links for the recipe are in the description, and other stuff that, yeah, that's how you make my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. Bye, thanks for watching.